To use your Nexsmart product, you will need to use the Smart Life app, which is both available for iOS and Android phones. And now I will show you how to install the app and create an account so you can enjoy your Nexsmart product. To install the app, you need to go either into your Apple Store or your Play Store. Then you search Smart Life and click into the Smart Life, Smart Living. Then you install the app. And when the app has been installed, you simply open it. And here, if you already have an account, you simply click Login, click Agree, and log in with your mail and with the password. If you don't already have an account, you simply click on the Sign Up, click Agree. Here, you choose the country you're from. Here, you type in your mail. And click Get Verification Code. Then you'll receive a code on your mail, which you have to type in here. And then you choose your password. And click Done. And now you've created your own account. So by clicking Go to App, you are now ready to add your Nexsmart product.